So today we're going to demonstrate an application for the ZigBee standard 802.15.4, and our application is using a air-fuel ratio gauge that would be mounted in the manifold or on the instrument cluster of a dragster. Now this particular air-fuel ratio gauge streams data at 9.6 baud, as well as showing you the reading that it's getting from the sensor that's mounted in the manifold. So what we've done is we've taken that data leads, the transmit and ground, and we've inserted it here into our project board, which takes the data, RS-232 levels, and puts it into a max RS-232 IC, which converts that RS-232 data to TTL levels. The TTL levels are then inserted into this Xbee module using the ZigBee standard, and it transmits the data wirelessly at 2.4 gigahertz. Now we have another ZigBee module, also using, of course, the ZigBee standard, which will be trackside. This time, the data will be received wirelessly at 2.4 gigahertz and will come out at TTL levels, which will then be converted from TTL levels to RS-232, which will go out this serial port, which is connected to a laptop running dumb terminal software, in this case, Hyperterm. So let's open up our Hyperterm. Turn on our air-fuel ratio gauge, and there's our data. Now, the higher the data rate, the more errors may be transmitted. This one has currently been tested up to almost a quarter of a kilometer with no problems in data transmission. So again, this is using Xbee modules from Digi, which utilizes the ZigBee standard 802.15.4. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.